What if I told you that the secret to incredible energy, stamina, and performance in bed isn't found in a pill or supplement, but in the foods African people have been eating for generations? From spicy roots to energy-boosting fruits, these powerful natural foods have earned their reputation as nature's performance enhancers. And today, we're revealing the top 10 that are making African men and women stronger, more confident, and more energized, where it matters most. Let's begin this mouth-watering journey through Africa's most powerful natural boosters, foods deeply rooted in culture, health, and love life. 1. Tiger nuts, the ancient African super snack. In Nigeria, Ghana, and across West Africa, tiger nuts are known as the miracle food. These tiny, wrinkled tubers have been used for centuries not just as a snack, but as a natural aphrodisiac. Rich in zinc, magnesium, and potassium, tiger nuts increase sperm count, improve blood flow, and boost libido naturally. And the best part? They're deliciously sweet and crunchy. They're so effective, many locals call them natural Viagra. Retention booster. But wait till you hear what food number 4 does. It's banned in some countries because of how strong its effects are. 2. Okra, the slippery powerhouse. Okra may be a staple in African soups and stews, but it's much more than just a veggie. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins A and C, and fiber, it helps regulate blood sugar and enhances male vitality. But there's a reason elders whisper about okra's powers. The slippery texture isn't just a coincidence. It plays a major role in blood flow and fluid production. Ever heard the saying, "Eat okra, and your nights get longer"? That's not just folklore. 3. Watermelon, the bedroom fruit. Watermelon isn't just for cooling off under the African sun, it's nature's own performance drink. Why? Because it contains a powerful amino acid called citrulline, which improves blood circulation and helps you stay strong for longer. In some African communities, men eat watermelon before a date night to help with stamina and confidence. Retention teas. But coming up next, there's one spicy root that's been banned in competitive sports. That's how powerful it is. 4. Yohimbe bark, the forbidden root. Found in Central Africa, the yohimbe tree is legendary. The bark contains yohimbe, a natural stimulant that's been used for generations to boost energy, increase testosterone, and enhance bedroom performance. In fact, it's so strong, yohimbe is now a regulated supplement in many Western countries and banned by athletic commissions due to its performance-enhancing effects. But in Africa, it's still used in traditional medicine, and often mixed with honey or tea. 5. Dates, nature's sweet secret. Don't be fooled by their sugary taste. Dates are loaded with amino acids and antioxidants that not only improve heart health but also boost sexual endurance. In countries like Sudan and Niger, men are known to blend dates with milk and honey for a powerful pre-evening drink. It's called the energy combo, and it's been used for centuries to enhance love life. And if you think dates are powerful, wait until we reveal food number 8. It's used by African royalty. 6. Ginger, the fire root. Across East and West Africa, ginger isn't just used for flavor, it's a symbol of passion and energy. It improves circulation, increases desire, and warms the body, literally and metaphorically. Ginger tea is often taken by men before marriage ceremonies, and couples use it to keep the spark alive. Plus, it helps reduce stress and anxiety, two major enemies of bedroom performance. 7. Garlic, the intimate detox. Garlic might not smell romantic, but it's one of the most powerful natural antibiotics in the world. It cleanses the blood, boosts testosterone, and improves overall stamina. Many African healers recommend chewing raw garlic in the morning, followed by honey water, as a natural way to cleanse the body and boost bedroom energy. Garlic fights fatigue and helps with blood flow, which is key to performance. 8. Baobab fruit, the royal booster. Known as the tree of life. The baobab isn't just iconic, it's a nutritional goldmine. The fruit contains more vitamin C than oranges, more calcium than milk, and more antioxidants than blueberries. Baobab pulp is used to make drinks that boost testosterone, increase endurance, and enhance fertility. In African folklore, warriors and kings drank baobab juice before battle and before weddings. 9. Plantain, the stamina king. Unripe plantain, especially when roasted or boiled, is a common remedy for premature fatigue and stamina problems. In Nigeria, men believe that eating unripe plantain with ginger and garlic builds strong muscles and helps in bed. It's high in potassium and complex carbs, giving you long-lasting energy without the crash. 10. Honey, the sweet finisher. Honey is called golden energy for a reason. It boosts nitric oxide levels in the blood, which helps improve circulation and physical performance. In many African traditions, honey is added to herbal mixtures meant for fertility and passion. It's also used as a symbol of sweetness in marriage ceremonies. Honey is the perfect natural finisher, balancing hormones, reducing fatigue, and making every moment last longer. Still with us? Here's a bonus tip for those who stayed until now. Traditional herbal mixtures, agbo, mori na maka. Across Africa, traditional healers create herbal blends using these foods along with roots and spices. Mori na, for example, is a leafy green that increases energy and improves fertility for both men and women. These traditional mixtures are often passed down through families, and their secrets are known only to elders and healers. Some even say the most powerful mixes have saved marriages and created entire families. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more travel tips, traditional wellness secrets, and powerful food knowledge. And hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.